The world has never seen a motorhome built like this. The 2026 Toyota Summit Beast 6x6 isn't just a vehicle, it's a six-wheeled declaration of freedom and dominance. If you love off-roading, luxury travel, and pushing limits, you're about to meet your next obsession. Just look at this thing. Aggressive stance, massive wide-body armor, reinforced steel bumpers, and a raised ground clearance that laughs at obstacles. The Summit Beast is built to go where normal RVs would brake, stop, or beg for mercy. LED laser headlights slice through night like daylight. The giant roof-mounted solar wing folds out to power your entire adventure. No generators, no limits. Every angle says one thing: keep up if you can. Step inside and your jaw hits the floor. Toyota crafted a hotel suite on wheels. Soft ambient lighting hugs the walls, while the leather captain's seats rotate to face a lounge so comfortable you forget you're exploring the wilderness. A panoramic smart glass window wraps the living space, turning transparent or tinted with a tap, privacy and views, exactly how you want them. The kitchen? Better than apartments. Full smart induction cooktop, dual fridge system, purified water line, and even a hidden snack vault for the real adventurers. The bedroom transforms into a cloud-like king bed with adaptive climate foam that learns how you sleep. And the bathroom? Spacious walk-in shower with rainfall mode, because luxury shouldn't disappear once the road ends. Under the floor lies the true beast. A twin-turbo hybrid V8 delivering power to all six wheels. This monster can tow a house, climb a mountain, and cruise silently through a forest on full electric mode. It's not just strong, it's smart. AI terrain mapping scans the landscape before the tires touch it, adjusting suspension and torque instantly. Smooth on city streets. Wild in the desert. Unstoppable everywhere. Safety isn't optional. The Summit Beast is wrapped in drone-assisted 360-degree surveillance. Yes, a deployable drone takes off from the roof and scouts your surroundings while you enjoy your trip. Motion detection. Night vision. Wildlife alerts. This is more than travel, this is survival confidence. And here's the part that hits hardest: this motorhome is built for the ones who refuse to stay home. The ones who chase the next horizon. The ones who want life to feel big again. Toyota says the Summit Beast 6x6 is launching with a price that will shock the RV world. Not cheap. Not crazy. Just game-changing for what you get. Adventure, luxury, technology, and power united in one impossible machine. So tell me, where would you take it first? The mountains? The desert dunes? A frozen tundra? With six wheels, you don't choose the road. You create it. If you want more reviews of beasts like this one, smash that like button, subscribe, and buckle up, because the future of travel is looking wild.